What I wish I knew at school instead of dull textbooks. The wild story of a secret 1920s fighter, the Albatros L-77V. Buckle up. 5 clues to a forgotten warbird. Starting now. 5. It was a prototype, not mass-produced. A one-off test bed built in the late 1920s. 4. Designers pushed speed and maneuverability with advanced streamlining for its time. 3. Unique features, a compact fuselage and experimental wing shapes that looked ahead of their era. 2. It never saw combat. Politics killed the project, and budgets killed it faster than engines could roar. 1. Today, it survives only in photos and blueprints, a ghost of aviation ambition. Curious for more lost machines? Hit follow. Mr. Saito Azul Sutosh XT. These are everywhere.